Hello and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where we provide accurate, faith-filled, and practical guidance to help international nurses relocate abroad with clarity and confidence. Today's video covers something thousands of nurses are searching for. UK employers, especially care homes and NHS trusts, that have a history of sponsoring internationally educated nurses with OSCE support or readiness. So stay till the end, because I'll also share red flags, eligibility tips, and how to verify real sponsorship before applying. Sponsor-ready UK employers for overseas nurses, OSCE supported, for 2025/2026. Always recheck details before applying. These are example UK employers, trusts plus care home groups, that publicly show international nurse recruitment, visa sponsorship and/or OSCE/NMC registration support. Use this as a research starting point, not as a guarantee of open jobs. 1. Nottinghamshire Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust. Type: Mental Health and Community NHS Trust. Has an international nurse recruitment program. Offers OSCE training, relocation package, pastoral support, ward buddies, supervision, etc. Recruitment. Great teaching environment for overseas nurses in mental health and community care. What to do? Search their careers site for international nurse recruitment and Band 4/5 nurse roles. 2. Salisbury NHS Foundation Trust. Type: Acute NHS Hospital. Relocation package includes certificate of sponsorship, health and care visa support, reimbursement for IELTS/OET, CBT, OSCE, first attempt, NMC registration, flights, airport pickup plus 2 months free accommodation. Salisbury NHS UK. Very strong example of a full relocation plus OSCE support package. What to do? Look for international nurse recruitment plus Band 5 nurse posts on their site. 3. St George's University Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust. Type: Large London Teaching Hospital. Has an overseas nurses recruitment and OSCE preparation page. St George's Hospital Trust. Requires IELTS/OET plus CBT before applying. Provides OSCE preparation and support once recruited, and arranges certificate of sponsorship. St George's Hospital Trust. What to do? Search St George's careers for overseas nurses, plus Band 5 roles. 4. Great Western Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust, GWH. Type: Acute NHS Trust, Swindon. Runs an internationally educated nurse recruitment program with a structured learning environment. Great Western Hospitals. Trust documents mention an in-house OSCE program with high pass rates and many international nurses recruited since 2016. NHS England. What to do? Look for international nurse/IEN program roles at GWH. 5. Barchester Healthcare. Type: Large UK care home group. Has an international recruitment page specifically for nurses. jobs.barchester.com. Offers support with NMC registration, immigration applications and OSCE training and exams for RGN, RMN, RNLD. jobs.barchester.com. The Trust. Publicly warns that you should never pay anyone for a job or sponsorship. A good ethics example. What to do? Search their jobs page for international nurses and your specialty. 6. Cumbria, Northumberland, Tyne and Wear NHS Foundation Trust, CNTW. Type: Mental Health and Learning Disability NHS Trust. Their international recruitment and relocation team supports nurses, doctors and AHPs coming from overseas. CNTW NHS. Relocation package mentioned. Details depend on role. What to do? Check CNTW careers, international nurse/Band 5 nurse jobs, and confirm if the specific post offers sponsorship. 7. NHS Shetland. Type: Island Health Board, Scotland. Known as a skilled worker sponsor in some sponsor list databases. Cross-check latest list on gov.uk. Good example of rural/remote UK opportunities where competition may be lower. What to do? Watch for Band 5 nurse vacancies on NHS Shetland's careers page and confirm visa sponsorship on each advert. Maria Maliband Care Group, MMCG. 80+ homes in England, Scotland and NI. International Nurse Development Programme. Focus on long-term support and settling. Good for nurses seeking smaller, more personalised placements. Agencare. Agencare International. UKVI licensed sponsor. Known for international recruitment, including nurses and senior HCAs. Includes training, relocation and settlement support options. Good for nurses who are adaptable and open to mixed care delivery settings. Bupa UK Care Homes. Strong global brand. Large care home network plus clinics. Known sponsorship history. Good for nurses seeking internationally recognizable employer branding. Section 4. How to verify real sponsorship. Always check. Employer is on UK sponsor license list. Job advert states visa sponsorship provided. You speak directly with HR or official recruiter. Salary aligns with UK minimum pay guidelines. Contract and working hours are clear and written. Section 5. Red flags. Any employer asking for payment for a job. No interview or basic assessment. No written offer letter. No mention of OSCE or NMC support. Suspicious WhatsApp or Facebook agents. Section 6. Best strategy for applicants. Open a professional UK CV. Prepare interview answers using SBAR method. Practice UK clinical scenario questions. Join LinkedIn and NHS jobs alerts. Apply to multiple employers. Don't wait for one. Closing and seating. Drop a comment. UK 2026 if you want. Employer Research Checklist. OSCE Prep Blueprint. UK CV format. Subscribe, like, and share. Someone's breakthrough may depend on this video. Purpose Path TV Global. Guiding purpose. Empowering lives.